Hi, it's Peggy Garcia-Marquez and Ruth Sandoval from Ghost Ranch. We're here to invite you to join us to the upcoming Unconference, June 16th through 19th.
Right. What you can expect when you come to the Unconference is you will arrive. We will have a gathering after maybe having some time to get to know each other. Very casual, very laid back, beautiful experience. And what will happen is that you will help to create the agenda. So we're not going to hand you an agenda that says be here at a certain time, be at the next session at a certain time, not even a choice to choose preset agenda. You are actually going to create that agenda with us together, and we're going to teach you a process. What it'll look like is we'll be in a big room together. We will talk about what it is that we're here to present. So I may say, hi, I'm Ruth. I want to present a workshop on my weaving wisdom cards that I just created and how I use them in coaching or how I use them in other ways, and I'll teach you lots of ways to use them. Does anybody else want to come to that? 4 hands may shoot up, and that's enough. Even 1 hand would be enough. And I would take my sheet of paper that says, I'm Ruth, I'm doing a Weaving Wisdom conference or session, and I would go up to the front and put my sheet of paper that says I'm doing a workshop at the time that I desire and the day that I desire. Next person would do the same thing. By the time we get done with this process, which happens pretty quickly, we have this amazing agenda up front. And now we have choices of which sessions we want to attend and when. The beauty of that is, for instance, maybe I'll say, oh, I'm not feeling so great and I'm not feeling like presenting after all at that time. I can actually go up to the physical space on the agenda, take out my piece of paper and say, I'm not doing it Wednesday at 2 o'clock. I think I'll do it Monday at 1. And I can change that. And in this process, nobody gets upset. It's a flow. And now I'm having the experience that I want as a presenter, and you're still having the experience you want.
And another really great aspect is that at the end of the day, we come back to circle and ask people, were your needs met today? And at that time, you can actually say, well, no, because I was looking at the agenda and I wanted to attend the wisdom card workshop, but there was also a workshop on juggling. And so I went to that. I loved it, but I still want to do the wisdom card workshop. So will you do it again, or will you do it just for me? Or can we meet in the coffee shop tomorrow sometime and you show just me? Or is there anybody else in the room? Or would you change your time? And the way that it grows organically like that is that you just move the cards around. And the whole time people are asking for what they need and providing the needs that other people ask for. It sounds kind of, okay, as a former and sometimes fall back into being a control freak, my heart starts palpitating a little bit and it's like, oh my gosh, this is going to be like a crazy free-for-all. But it really is an organized system. It's kind of like unbelievable to be able to get 150 people in a room from 6 different countries. We're at the one we were at, and within 45 minutes have 3 days planned out. It was unbelievable.